Our new VESLA rollers are now coming in a new box. This new box is smaller. We've been able to do that by removing the suspension components and putting those in the box separately. The original VESLA box was huge. Yeah. So this was done out of necessity. By removing those suspension components, we were able to reduce the box size. Bringing that box size down has helped us save significant costs on our shipping that we have passed on to the customers with our new pricing. It's a very simple process to install those suspension components. The first thing to do is to get the roll cage removed, and so we're going to do that. So we'll begin assembling this front suspension arm assembly with installing this hinge pin. So what I do is I'll install one of my E-clips on first, and then I'll slide it through the hinge pin braces as well as the suspension arm, and then I'll attach the E-clip on the back. We do include some extra E-clips. With your E-clip installed, we're going to install the steering link right here. So you can see the steering bell crank, and we've got the screw there. So we have our needed Allen wrenches here. We are next going to attach the upper camber link. The stock location, you have 4 different spots on the shock tower where you can put it. We're going to put it on the inside on the lower of those holes. With our suspension arm installed, moving freely, we're going to install our shock absorber. So that goes on the outer hole of the shock tower. You'll then take this long button head screw and install it on the lower shock assembly to attach it to the suspension arm. For this, we're going to go to the outer hole. So we've got that installed just on that lower control arm. And you'll do the same process with the rear. Attaching the rear suspension assembly will be largely similar to the front. So we'll attach the lower arm with the hinge pin. We will install the upper camber link, and then we'll install the shock absorber. It's the inner hole on the top for the lower arm, and it is the outer hole on the upper shock mount. So you can see with just a few simple tools in a few minutes, you'll be able to get your VESLA fully assembled and ready to go. If you have any questions, feel free to drop those in the comments down below. As always, we do appreciate if you subscribe to us so you can follow along and see what's new and what content we are cooking up next. So thanks so much. We will catch you on the next one.